Some great minds. One show. Ahmedabad Rising. Exclusively on FM 95 Radio 1.
100% retro. Happy mornings is what you're listening to on FM 95 Radio 1. तुम्हारी साथ हूँ आरती AARTI. हमारी इंटरव्यू सीरीज अहमदाबाद राइजिंग पर आज हमारे साथ है अंजलि राजन, जिन्होंने सोचा कि भाई इफ मेन कैन राइड बाइक्स एंड हैव देयर ओन क्लब्स देन व्हाई कांट वी डू दैट. तो भाई मेरे जैसी जितनी भी लड़कियां हैं शहर में जिनको ऐसा लगता है कि बाइक के पीछे बैठने में इतना मजा नहीं आता जितना चलाने में आता है, उनके लिए एक क्लब शुरू किया है अंजलि ने, which is called the Riderni Club. It started last year and off the mic I was telling her कि मैंने थोड़ी बहुत कोशिश की है लेकिन यार मैं स्ट्रीट से बाहर नहीं निकल पाती और to be very honest with you मैं 2-3 बार गिरी भी हूँ. तो मेरे जैसी जो लड़कियां आएंगी उनको आप सिखाएंगे what is the procedure to join the club.
So Aarti, definitely for you there would be a place. Of course you have to be. Yeah, procedure ये है कि first of all they should have a license. They should be above 18.
License for riding the bike.
Riding
right?
the bikes. License for riding the bikes. And then again above 18 they should be. And there is a identity sign of bond wherein they need to sign. It's nothing but in case of anything happens, it's like then. It's up to you. It's up to your responsibility. Then again, there would be rules and regulations wherein we are here to obey the traffic rules. It's not that we are doing any
and not do stunts on
stunts or no. I'm totally against of it.
Okay.
So then then later on after joining there would be a fees of around 500 rupees and they will give it. Provide me all the details. I'll be requiring every details.
So
of
then
it.
I'll have cool Riderni friends teaching me how to ride a bike.
Yes. I'll myself will be teaching you how to ride it. Don't worry.
And I'm really excited to know about your journey. What is the longest journey that you have taken on bike, and how especially is the experience of going solo?
Longest, to be frank, longest solo ride is around 800 kilometers that I've covered recently. So
the one that you were telling me about, Goa to Trivandrum,
yeah,
or
exactly.
Ahmedabad to Trivandrum.
Goa to Trivandrum. Okay. That was a solo ride. First day from Ahmedabad to Goa, that was like 2 days we covered it.
Right.
So first day we were like around 10 to 15 people were there with one Riderni with me, which is really good. And second day, I and my Riderni, we both rode together till Goa.
Right.
So amazing journey. I mean, I can't forget. I would say that being a part of the Riderni Club, I'm so happy to find a girl. Her name is Aisha Upadhyay. The way she writes, it's like with full to confident. I was like, yeah, a Gujju girl riding like this.
Don't say that. We Gujaratis are super cool.
I know. It's like, what people basically say. You know how people say it.
Right,
so
right.
just changing that level.
Changing that perception.
Perception. Everyone can ride. It is just they need to know that, the specific how to ride, how to, tame your bike. That's
and also
how.
What goes on through your mind when you go on these long journeys? You're riding all by yourself. There is probably nobody around, lonely on the roads.
Riding all by myself is something I used to ride alone. Okay, it's not just go and ride, but at times when I feel my life is like my amma, my life, love of my life, and then comes my bike. So there has been issues wherein with my friends also, when they don't talk much nicely about my bikes or something, when they don't respect my bike, it hurts me a lot. I mean that's one thing.
What about the experience of being on the roads for so many hours all by yourself?
It's just on the flow. I just go by the flow. There is a destination for me which awaits. So, and the journey comes by, the wind blows and everything, knowing about the road. And especially with my bike, I'm riding it.
And how long did it take you to go from Goa to Trivandrum?
See, Goa to Trivandrum, considering the route was not so good. Must say Gujarat is having one of the best roads, finest roads, and I just love it. I mean, all the road reflectors and street lights, everything is there. But if you go down south, वहाँ पर क्या है कि रात को जब चलानी होती है, like early morning I used to do the ride, so around 3 o'clock, there is no road reflectors during the curves, street lights नहीं है, so we need to be extra careful. The speed would be below 20.
Right.
So ऐसा must say, Ahmedabad is the best. I mean, Gujarat is the best for that.
Okay, and more questions about what especially a woman solo rider take care of. We'll talk about that after a short break on ऑन अहमदाबाद राइजिंग। भाई बाइकिंग को लेकर राइडिंग को लेकर अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं। यू कैन कॉल ऑन 6543-9595। फिलहाल ब्रेक के बाद आपको सुनाते हैं गाना सागर फिल्म से सागर जैसी आंखों वाली, टाइटल ट्रैक कमिंग अप।
Ahmedabad Rising. Ahmedabad Rising. Conversation with great minds to continue. Exclusively on FM 95 Radio 1.
100% retro.